Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll release worries about the future by using a simple mantra to call ourselves back to the present moment. Start by finding a quiet spot to sit. Gently lengthen your back. Let your shoulders and arms relax, resting your hands in your lap. Soften your face, releasing your jaw, your eyes, and your forehead. And take a moment to fully arrive to your meditation practice. Now, take a few expansive breaths. Allow your inhales to deepen. Lengthen all the way to the bottom of your exhales. And as you tune into these fuller breaths, use the next few exhales to let go of whatever isn't serving you right now. Let go of any physical gripping or holding. Let go of judgments. Let go of your to-do list for the day. Even let go of any expectations or anticipations you have around your practice. And now, let your breath settle back into a natural, easy rhythm. Observe the spontaneous ebb and flow of your breath. Stay as present as you can with the full cycle of your effortless breath. Notice the moment when your breath enters through your nostrils and stay with it all the way to the end of your exhale. Now, keeping your awareness on the breath, we'll begin to repeat a simple mantra to keep coming back to here and now. Find a rhythm that works easily for you, silently repeating the following words. I am here. I am here. I am here. And if your mind wanders into distractions or worries, lovingly bring yourself back to your breath and silently repeat these words. I am here. I am here. I am here. Now gently release the words and return to your natural breathing rhythm. For the next few moments, notice how you feel. Remember, there is no right or wrong here. Simply tune into your experience just as it is. And now, allow your attention to widen. Everybody worries sometimes. In fact, our brains are built to worry as a way of preparing our bodies and minds to face potential dangers. It's part of what makes us human. But staying in a worried state can prevent us from being present with what's going on right in the moment. Worrying about the future can drain our energy and keep joy at bay. But here's the good news. Mindfulness is a proven way to reduce worrying and be more present. Multiple meditation-based studies show that as we learn to accept our experience throughout our practice, acceptance trickles out into our day-to-day. We build our capacity to face adversity with calm, enabling us to let go of the future which we have little control over and instead be fully rooted in the moment. The more we let go of worrying, the more we make room for happiness and contentment. Now take a deep breath. When you're ready, make small movements with your body. And gently open your eyes. Whenever you catch yourself worrying about the future today, take a few breaths and come back to that simple mantra, I am here. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.